All right, guys, big news just dropped right before the weekend for Cryptoblades. Seedify, which is the biggest game incubator launchpad right now, just made this tweet today saying Seedify holders will be hosting an AMA with these two guys, founders of Blades Crypto, so Cryptoblades, and Seedify Fund, about the upcoming Cryptoblades Kingdom. So if you didn't know, Cryptoblades Kingdom is going to be a strategic game launched by the Cryptoblades team. And they are actually doing this YouTube live stream tomorrow, so be sure to tune in. And then we have another announcement here related to the timeline of Cryptoblades. So they said by the end of September, you can expect the first ever Cryptoblades Kingdoms land sale. Yes, you read that correctly. You will get the chance to get your own plot of land in Cryptoblades Kingdoms. So massive news. We're going to go over both of them today. And if you're new to the channel, I'm CryptoMan, your anonymous crypto gaming guide. If you want to stay up to date with us on the latest crypto news, sub to the channel and join us in the Elite Crypto League. Okay, so we have two huge pieces of news here to cover today, both related to Cryptoblades and their upcoming game, Cryptoblades Kingdom. Okay, so the first one is related to Seedify. Seedify is the hottest gaming launchpad right now. So if you know any of these influencers, JRNY Crypto is a massive YouTuber. He is an advisor to them. Alex Becker is another big business YouTuber. He is also an advisor to them. Just both announced in the last week. And Seedify's price has also skyrocketed too. So not even a week ago, it was actually at $1, and now it's at $4.60. So Seedify is the hottest game incubator right now, and they're basically the launch pad for a lot of games, and they were for Cryptoblades as well. And so that's where the connection comes from, and they are hosting this AMA tomorrow. I'm sure they're going to drop some major bombs during it. So be sure to tune in if you're a big fan of Cryptoblades, or if you're looking forward to their Cryptoblades Kingdom game, because I think that's going to do extremely well based on the popularity right now of Seedify and the popularity of Cryptoblades. Okay, and then the second announcement we have to go over is one that was dropped in the Discord yesterday. One of the mods said, "We are happy to announce that the initial DEX offering will be on Seedify mid-September." I'm assuming for Cryptoblades Kingdom. But hold on, that's not the only thing September keeps in stock for all of us. By the end of September, you can expect the first ever Cryptoblades Kingdoms land sale. So you can actually buy a plot of land in Cryptoblades Kingdom. So a lot of these games are doing this right now, like Decentraland, and there's a bunch of other ones too. You can actually buy the land as an NFT and then you hold that. But I think that this will be huge because Cryptoblades itself is massive. Tons of people are flocking to the play to earn. The atmosphere right now in crypto and Seedify has been so successful with their previous launches that I am definitely going to get into this when it shows up. And let's actually take a look at the graphic here. And you can see here, they actually talk about it in this message too, but they basically raised $4 million in a private sale, which is huge and very promising for the game. And so the IDO on Seedify, which if we jump over to Seedify to show you the actual site, this is how it looks. As typical IDO, you go in, you can actually, if you have sfund tokens, you can stake them, and then you can actually put BNB in and kind of fund these games. And so I think this will also be, if you're looking for new games to follow, Seedify is a launchpad, and so all the new games that they're going to be promoting are launching on Seedify's website itself. And so I would definitely follow Seedify if you're looking for new gems to potentially buy. But let's take a step back here. So let's go over this a little more of this graphic. So the IDO on Seedify will be mid-September, which is basically the opportunity for people who hold sfund token to invest. And then the second part is the first land sale, which is going to be buying NFTs in the game, end of September. And even more bullish news, they talk a little bit about that private sale, and they say these funds will be used to hire the best talent in the industry and build the infrastructure to support what we expect to be one of the most widely played games in the world. What does that indicate for you? More announcements to come. And so there's two major bullish announcements at the same time for Cryptoblades, and specifically Cryptoblades Kingdoms. I think if they can leverage the popularity that they did with Cryptoblades, then getting a plot of land in Cryptoblades Kingdom is going to be insanely worth it. And so I'm definitely going to be tuning into the live stream tomorrow, and I'll let you guys know if there's anything super, super interesting that comes out of it. And then finally, let's actually go over what Cryptoblades Kingdoms is, because no one's really talked about this game that much. It's been mostly about Cryptoblades itself, but this is going to be a strategic game. And so this is actually launched on July 13th and is from the Seedify Fund, which is sfund. Hello, Seedify community, and then they talk a little bit about it here. PvP, PvE, dungeons, and more. It sounds like more of a strategic game. And also here's the part about the land. Cryptoblades Kingdoms will have its own 1,000 by 1,000 grid map with different kinds of tiers of land, which will be given randomly to players where some will be given randomly to players and others you can buy according to your gameplay strategy. So if we scroll down here, there's tons of interesting information they put here, mostly about the mechanics of the game, and I'm sure it's going to change a lot by the time this thing actually launches, especially because this was in July, and in crypto world, everything changes week to week anyways. But I think it's really exciting of kind of the ideas they put in here, because it shows that the team is thinking big. And so very cool stuff coming for Cryptoblades Kingdoms and for Seedify. I'm really bullish on Seedify just because of how many people are backing them now. I don't even know what kind of influencers could possibly be in this $4 million fund that they just raised, but I'm sure it's some big names. But what do you guys think? Are you excited for Cryptoblades Kingdoms? Are you going to buy land in September? And are you going to watch this AMA? I'm definitely going to watch it, and I will drop a video if there's anything big. But let me know in the comments, and I will see you all in the next video.